How you doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, share this video and comment down below. Now that's Victoria flexing on her new butterfly locks. Let's get into it. So this is fluffy kinky that I'm showing you on the video. Now I'm so sorry guys, I didn't show you opening the package because these are the braids that I used before and these are the remaining. So yeah, I had to keep them to do something else creative, and I unruffled them, and this is how they look after I removed them. And then one braid removed like 3 of them. So it's kind of good thing, and I used a half package of the fluffy kinky. So on the video, as you can see, I'm trying to partition my hair and braid it into small braids. So yeah, that's what I'm doing on the video. Let's keep watching. I was really trying to partition them so that they may look clear, neatly done, and yeah, that's what I'm doing, guys. So I really tried to do it on the camera, but they really looked so big. I really didn't like them, so I went ahead and did it off camera, but I did the same thing that you can see on the screen, and yeah, I really tried. This is my first time on YouTube, guys. I'm so excited to post this video. I don't know, but anyway. So as I said, I really tried to do this on the video, but if you're keenly to check, it really never looked that great. But afterwards, I went ahead and did it off camera, and it really looked quite pleasing, and they looked even. And so yeah. So you first partition your hair and then braid into small braids like that. Now you can see your so your girl went ahead and braided very nicely. You can see the edges are laid nicely, not the edges, the lines are partitioned very nicely. So I went ahead with my oil, my castor oil. That's what I apply on my scalp. Went ahead to do that on the whole head, and yeah, let's keep watching. So these are the braids now, how they look after I unruffle them, and yeah, I'm going to be crocheting them on my hair as well, and I'm going to be showing you. Just a minute. Yeah, that's how I look. And yeah, now when it comes to hair, I'm so sorry guys, I didn't show you how I crocheted the hair, the synthetic hair on the fluffy kinky on my natural hair, but I'm going to show you on the other braid. So right there, I'm just trying to roll it till where I want it to reach. Now once you're rolling it, you want to make it very lightly done and simple so that it may look neat and bring that fluffy look for the butterfly locks. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just trying to make it fluffy a bit with my hands. Now, once I reached at the bottom where I want it to reach, I take the small part and start and fold it towards upwards, and now fold the other one going upwards again. So you now start rolling going up where you were, just slowly until you reach to the top. And still, when you reach at the top, if it is still remaining another part, you still roll it towards downwards. Now this one will only happen if you're going for maybe a short braid, a short bob, because I really needed them to be a bit short, and the fluffy kinky were too long, but it really did a very nice job actually. So as you can see, when I reach at the top, then it's still remaining, I still go with it downwards again, and then you roll it with your hands. Roll it, and that's how it looks. Pretty nice. Yeah, that's how it looks. Pretty nice, the butterfly locks. Now on this other braid, that's where I'm going to be showing you how I crocheted the hair into my original hair, natural hair. Now I start by twisting it a little bit on there because I want it to fit on my crochet. Put the crochet inside, put the hair, lock it and pull it up. So that's where it reaches. I want it to reach there, so I'm just trying to make it even with the other one. So as well, you keep rolling it and make it not too tight and not too loose. So just try make it a little bit neat. Yeah, because we all need to look good after this. Yeah. So let's keep watching. I roll it until I reach to the end where I want it to meet with the other one. Then roll it on top as well. You can see as I roll, I'm trying to make it at least a bit fluffy. And yes. Now that's where I start rolling it, going to the top. Yeah, roll it. It's So right there, you can see I'm just trying to remove some bumps that were there and to make the braid softer and neat, because we don't need some bumps, funny bumps on our braid. And I go ahead and roll it till the end, then roll it as well with my hands, and that's how it looks. Look at them, wow, looks so pretty. I really love them actually. Now this is my first time to do this as well. I'm so excited and so happy. Finally I made it. So I'm going to show you one last one that I'll crochet and then braid. And then let's go, let's do this. So I'm going to put the crochet inside my hair, kind of track the hair nicely, roll it a bit as well, put it on the crochet, you see, and the crochet, lock the crochet as well, and let's pull it out. So that's how you do it. Now you now make it even with the other braid. Make it even and then start rolling again. You roll it until the end. Now, as I said, I'm using Fluffy Kinky to do this butterfly LOCS tutorial, and yeah, it turned out very nicely. I love it, and at least my braid didn't go to waste. You see the way you have so many braids that are remaining and you don't know what to do with them. And finally I did something with my braids, some fluffy things on my head. The distressed bob lock. So I was going for a short bob because yeah, I thought it's kind of pretty, and yeah, looks different on me with a different hairstyle, and I love it. So you can try this as well and let me know. By the way, guys, please comment down below if you like my hairstyle, if you like my tricks. Kindly comment down below. Feel free to comment. And we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Please, guys, help me guys, help me. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers, guys. I have just started. This is just the beginning, and we'll still have a long way to go, right? So yeah, as you can see on the video, that's what I'm doing now. I've reached the end. I'm trying to wrap it up as well now. Oh, roll it up until it reaches the end and seal it. Go girl, go girl. Go girl. Roll it. Once you reach the end, start coming down as well to lock the braid up. And then you roll it with your hands, and that's how they look. Look at that. Look at how they look, guys. Look at it. Wow, so I'll go ahead, do the rest of my hair, and then come back with a review. Yeah, there we go. That's Victoria flexing on her new hairstyle. Thank you guys for watching. Wow, thank you. Please remember to leave a comment, like this video, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Oh my, look at that. I love this look. I really love it. It looks so nice, as simple as that. Mwah, guys. I love you so much. It really took a little time, but finally we made it, guys. We made it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy I finally braided my hair. And yeah, mwah, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.